Lucky English with Maria. Today we're talking about things you like. How to ask people what they like. How to say what you like. And some common mistakes. So, let's get started. Asking people what they like. I'm going to give you 2 questions, okay? First question. Do you like? Do you like? You can hear the do and you go together. Do you, do you, do you. Do you like X, for example? Do you like chocolate? Do you like playing football? Easy. The intonation goes up a little. Do you like playing football? Ready? Let's practice it. So I give you an object and you make the question. For example, chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Dogs. Yes. Do you like dogs? Repeat. Do you like dogs? Next. Play video games. Psst. Remember, the verb goes with ing, okay? Play video games. Yes. Do you like playing video games? Repeat. Do you like playing video games? Good. Spicy food. Spicy. Spicy food. Question? Do you like spicy food? Yes. And our last one, watch TV. Do you like watching TV? Yes. Okay. Now our second question. What's your favorite X? For example, TV program. Listen to the what's. What is what's? What's your favorite TV program? What's your favorite TV program? The intonation is flatter on this, okay? Let's try. I say a thing and you make the question. Film. What's your favorite film? Good. Food. What's your favorite food? Yes, it's easy. Now, the second part, how to talk about things that you like. I'm going to give you 4 sentences. The highest sentence here, the most extreme, I love. So, for example, reading. I love reading. Now, next step down, I like. Swim. I like swimming. Oranges. Say it. I like oranges. Yes. This is similar, but it's preference. You say, I prefer. I prefer Instagram, for example. So another, let's practice. Cook. I prefer cooking. Good. And finally, I hate. I hate long lines. I hate long lines. Do you hate long lines? Now, one special tip. We don't use the word dislike very often. Usually people use I don't like, okay? I don't like waiting. Now, finally, some common mistakes. Mistake 1. I ask you, do you like dancing? And you say, yes, I like. No. You say, yes, I do. Or, no, I don't. Mistake 2. You say, yes, I do. I like a lot dancing. No. I like dancing a lot. I like dancing a lot. Like and the thing or action, they need to be together. They have to hug each other. I like dancing a lot. Okay? What do you like? Tell me in the comments. And have a great day. Keep practicing English. Bye-bye.